Alright, so let's move on to the another draw tool that we have in AutoCAD. So we have covered the lines, we have covered the circle, arc, rectangle, ellipse. Let's see what polyline is. So if you read the cue card, it's basically connected sequence of segments which is counted as a single object, and you can combine arcs and line segments, or you can do the combination of the both. So let's invoke the polyline. So just left click it and we have selected the polyline command. The other way to do this is you can type in POLY and press enter, so your polyline is active. Now let's quickly draw a floor plan. So I'm gonna left click over here and go towards right and type 15 feet, and let's zoom in a bit. Okay, let's move down for about 25 feet. Let's go left for about 5 feet, move down again 10 feet. Let's go left. No, the one thing that you have to make sure before while doing this polyline is make sure your dynamic input is on, your polar tracking is on, right? So this 20 feet, go up for about 5 feet, go left for about 3 feet, 5 again, right? Then this side we have 2 feet, can go up for about 10 feet, then towards right for about 12 feet, go down for 1 feet, go right. For this measurement you can either track this point like this, or you can type in 3 feet, so it's going to be the same, and then end by pressing enter. So we have our floor plan. Now one thing that Polyline gives is it's a single entity. So when you select this using the left click of the mouse, it's a single entity, so all the lines are connected by on its own. While in the line command, if you do the same thing, you have to use the join command, and so that it becomes a single entity. I have already posted the line command video. You can follow it and make see the difference between the both the tools. Right, so we have the outer boundary of our plan. Now one thing that we can do is we can go for an offset. So we can select the offset distance for about 6 inches. Now you can either type 6, so it recognizes that it's in inches. You can select your wall, you can go either in or out. Let's go in. So we have our boundary wall for the floor plan right here ready for us. Very simple, just using the polyline tool we easily created it, right?